It's your girl Key. Thanks for clicking on me. If you are new to my channel, welcome. This channel is all about making money online, where I review top IT and cloud-based products. I also give you tips and tricks on how to make money online. So if you are interested in making money online, make sure you like, comment, and subscribe to your girl channel. Me and you are on the road to success. Today I am reviewing this product called Click Home Income, where you can unlock seven different income streams, which will pay you $29 over and over again. What that means, they have put together multiple tasks inside of this product, and you just have to use 2 or 3 clicks to make this product work for you. And you can outsource it on different platforms like Upwork and Fiverr. If you're interested in making money online, make sure you stay until the end of this review, where I will be exposing the inside of the members area and giving you a free look at my bonuses. My bonuses are absolutely free, only at a limited time offer. So if you're interested in making money online, like I said before, make sure you stay until the end so you will not miss a thing. Let's get into this. Alright, now guys, we are now on my bonus page. I wanted to just jump right into the bonuses and do something a little different. So let's head into these bonuses. Don't forget, my bonuses are absolutely free, but they're on a limited time offer. So we only have 3 days left. Let's get into these super incredible bonuses I have for you guys, only at a limited time offer. So right here, this is zero to profit with printables. So get zero to profit with printables to generate sales on autopilot with this underground technique and strategies. This is a step-by-step training course showing you how to create printables and sell them. I don't know if you know about printables, but you just have to create it one time. You can sell over 1,000 times until you freaking die and your generations come by, and it's still gonna be profitable for generations to come. So yes, create it once and you can sell it literally forever. And if you want any of my bonuses, or if you want to pick up Click Home Income today, you can just come over to my bonus page in the link in my comments or in my description, in which I will put a link there for you can easily grab these insane, incredible bonuses I have for you guys in your copy of Click Home Income. Right here, bonus number 2, I have Printly. Learn how to sell digital items to keep your conversions coming back so you will have an evergreen profit. So this is also about selling and creating printables, guys. So just to give you some more information when it comes down to you creating and selling printables. Then we have bonus number 3, how to write headlines that sells. When it comes down to you creating these printables and selling them, you need to have a super duper caption. When you don't have an awesome caption, nobody gonna pay attention, okay? So yes, learn how to write headlines that sells with your girl Key and keep your audience attention until they buy. Then we have bonus number 4. This is only for you guys that act fast, okay? This is only 3 days limited time offer. This is get 60 plus different softwares and underground techniques to learn how to create a bigger profit with proper training by Jonah Armstrong, Brendan Mace, and more of the top vendors and affiliate marketers in the game right now. Don't forget, my bonuses are absolutely free. And then you have bonus number 5, which is all the vendor bonuses in which they have to offer for you. If you're interested in hitting your girl up on any social medias, just come all the way down, scroll all the way down to the bottom, and hit up my Facebook, YouTube, and TikTok. Follow me everywhere, guys, so you will not miss any updates on any upcoming IT and cloud-based products here to help you make money online. So yes, guys, these are all of my bonuses. Let's get right into what Click Home Income has to offer. So we're gonna go over to the sales page, okay? So right here it says expose the secret systems, unlock 7 income streams, and pays $29 over and over again just by completing simple tasks, guys. So the more tasks we complete, the more money you make. Literally one click income, just hit complete and you're done. Ridiculously easy, no experience required, zero traffic needed to profit, and absolutely straightforward with no extra expenses. This is covered by a 30-day back money guaranteed, guys. If you want to watch this video, you can totally watch this video. You just have to come over to my bonus page, click click home income, and it will send you over to this sales page in which you can watch this video, guys. So this is what Click Home Income has to offer. I'm about to go right into the members area of Click Home Income so you can see what exactly they talking about when it comes down to these 7 different income streams. They talking about they're gonna help you make money. So let's get right into that. So I'm just gonna click out that so we don't have to worry about that anymore. So I already been through here, guys. I already tested out. So the first thing they have a article builder. So guys, I literally been testing this all out. Went over to Fiverr. I literally went over to all of these subjects, and I just hit them up in the different platforms in which you can it's like a freelancer platform in which you can make money. So the article spinner is the truth, okay, guys? I had to double back when it comes down to the article spinner. So for example, I went over to, I looked up a niche when it comes down to dogs. I look up dog niche. I'm looking for a blog, find a blog. So I find a blog about adopting old dogs or caring for old dogs. So guys, I literally highlighted this whole thing, highlighted everything, highlighted everything, and except for the whole article. So I didn't get all this. I got right here, got this, boom. So I highlighted all of this, okay? So I went over here to Click Home Income. This is what we're talking about today. And I put the whole article in there, and it switched it up for me. I had to read it 3 times to really understand that it really switched it up, but it did. So I'm okay, so it was dope. You pretty straightforward, guys, and this really works. So I'm going to read the first 2 sentences so you can understand where I'm coming from. Okay, so I don't want to waste no time, so let's get into it. His head on my knee can heal my human heart. His presence with the aid of my aspect sorry guys. His presence with the aid of my aspect is safely against my fear of dark and unknown things. He has promised to watch for me every time, anywhere, in case I need him. So that's the first sentence. Okay, let's come all the way up here. And they literally switched it up. I had to read mad times. Okay, so his head on my knee can't heal my human heart. His presence by my side is protection against my fear of dark and unknown things. He has promised to wait for me whenever, everywhere, in case I need him, and I expect and always have, and I always will have. Okay, so boom. They literally switched that whole thing up. They added some more stuff over here when it came down to the fear of darkness. I'm bro, they really did this? I'm let me see. So they did do it. So, okay, when it comes down to you using this and getting started. So get it started. Guys, so this is a little tutorial. This is all the options they have for you. I was gonna go in there, but might as well just show you right here because it's right here. So they have voiceovers, they have video makers, they have photo design, they have infographic creators. I don't know what that is. And then they have article generator, and they have ebook creator. So guys, what I did, I went over to I think Job Hunter Pro. Yes, guys, I went over to Job Hunter Pro, and I searched. Okay, so you got this, you got all this stuff. So I went to Dashboard. Dashboard got all the options that we just seen when it comes down to training resources. Wait, did we go to training resources? I'm not for sure. Training resources right here. So this is the exclusive training, and then you have the training videos, okay? Get it started with showing you how to use this platform. Training videos, boom, right here. Then you have the dashboard, so you introduce it to the dashboard. So right here, dashboard, I copied all of this, okay? Went over to Fiverr, and I went over to the Job Hunter Pro. So they have
They don't even got freaking Fiverr on here, so it's just so freaking weird. I'm like, how you don't even got Fiverr on here as like a, because they don't even have like, well, some of them you can just search on here, but the others they literally make you go over to the platform like Freelancer, Upwork, and GoLance and People Per Hour. I think GoLance you can literally like search it right here, but Freelancer you gotta go in the search engine. Upwork you gotta go in the search engine. So might as well. I think one of these they didn't even have a freaking link. So Upwork, this didn't even have a freaking link. Freelancer had a link. GoLance had a link, and People Per Hour had a link. Oh, People Per Hour, that is when you can literally look up when you look it up without even going over to somewhere else. So what I did, I just hurried up and copy what they had on Fiverr and stuff. Well, copy what they had from Click Home Income to Fiverr and all the other like sources. So you have like five different sources you can like use the one and make money on each difference. Like use one topic and use one topic on each. I'm sorry, I don't want to like mix you up. Use one topic like as a voiceover on each platform. Like you can use voiceover on Freelancer, voiceover on Upwork, voiceover on GoLance, and voiceover on People Per Hour, and you can use voiceover on voiceover services on Fiverr. All of these, okay? So this is how you're going to make the most out of your buck, okay? So right here I already have a article generator in the research. So they have a lot of them starting at 5. We got some starting at 10. And when you go on the inside, they have different levels to this, okay? So if you want more words, you're going to pay more money, so forth and so on. When it comes down to even setting up and copying your profile like a professional profile, you're just going to copy everybody that's doing what you're doing. So all the different tasks that Click Home Income, the 7 different tasks on the dashboard that Click Home Income has to offer as a voiceover, video maker, photo design, infographic creator, article creator, ebook creator. Then you have logo maker, ebook cover creator. Then you have text to speech. Then you can convert files, so you can convert videos to MP3s, videos to M4A. Don't even know what that is. So I'm guessing it's just audio. And then you can convert documents. Okay, so like PDF to JPEG, whatever. So this is all the stuff you can do, and you can like optimize all of these things on the sources when it comes down to Job Hunter Pro. Okay. You have their bonuses right here. The bonuses, you're going to get the bonuses automatically. They have bonuses for you. So you can download all these bonuses. These are all the bonuses they have for you. So they got 10K blueprint. They got 60-minute profits. They got email monetizer. I can't even read that one. They got virtual submit secrets. They have self-help startup kit. They have motivation pack. They have code of success. They have choose to lead in balance, truth, love, and power, okay? And then you have some income streams right here, multiple income streams. Then you have the passive income streams. So right here, these are some income streams you can just download. They have a whole bunch of different sections. They got right label, profit plan, profit funnels, printable business systems. That's what I got. Like, that's literally my whole like bonuses, showing you how to do that perfectly, okay? So this is all the stuff you'll get. You have done for you upgrades. You have the Job Hunter Pro. That's what you just search and see what jobs they got out there. Dashboard, you got your trainer. That's the inside of Click Home Income, guys. So if you're interested in just picking up Click Home Income, don't forget I have a link in my description and in my comments so you can get it. It's only a limited time offer, 3 days. Honestly, 3 days. So this is only a one-time payment, just $19, and boom. If you want some more information, make sure you come down and read this on my bonus page. I'm running out of time, guys. I appreciate you for watching my review, and see you in my next video. We are on the road to success. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe to my channel so you won't miss my next upload. See you in the next.